Good morning, dear students. I am your computer teacher. I hope you all are doing well. Students, have you read first two chapters in which we have done what is computer, its uses and where to use computers? Okay, yes. So students, today we will learn about chapter 3, parts of computer. Before starting the chapter, let's understand the functions of the parts of our body. So let's match the various body parts with their functions. First is walking. We do walking with the help of, yes, legs. Next, listening. With which body part we listen? Yes, ears. Next is writing. We do writing with our hands. Next is see. We see with the eyes. Yes. So students, you are aware of your body parts and their functions. In the same way, computer has many parts that do different things. Right? That is, there are parts of computer also which perform different functions. So let's understand about it. The main parts of computer. A computer has four main parts: monitor, CPU, keyboard and a mouse. Let's learn what these are. First is monitor. A monitor looks like a television. You can see images, words and movie pictures on a screen. In this figure we can see a monitor and a screen. As shown, we perform every task on the screen. A monitor displays information processed by computer. Right? The next we have CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is present inside the CPU cabinet or a box. A CPU controls the other parts of computer. It is called the brain of a computer. That means in this figure we can see the CPU cabinet or the box. The CPU is present inside this CPU cabinet. We can see the small CPU, right? Which is called the brain of the computer. A CPU processes every input and gives us results. Right? Next we have keyboard. A keyboard is used to type on a computer screen. The buttons on the keyboard are called keys. Each key has a letter, a number, or a symbol on it. A keyboard is a board on which a number of keys are present for typing, right? An evocal tip. Pressing the keys on the keyboard to write text is called typing. The screen is the viewing area on a monitor where the work and its results are shown, right? Next we have mouse. A mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel. It is used to draw, point, select and open files on the monitor. It is also called a pointing device. That means the items can be moved or selected by pressing the mouse buttons which are shown on computer screen, right? Students, monitor, mouse and keyboard are attached to the CPU with wires. So let's review with an exercise about the parts of computer. Take right the images that are part of computer. Okay, the parts of computer are, is the jug part of computer? No. Is that mouse part of computer? Yes. Next, keyboard is also the part of computer, right? Next we have other parts of computer. So students, we have many parts of computer. The main four parts we have read about: monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. We have some other parts of computer. Let's discuss. Printer. Yes. Whatever you type or draw on a computer can also be printed on a paper using a printer. It means printer is used to turn the digital data into a printed media. Right? Next we have speakers. A speaker plays the sound saved in a computer. Means generally a pair of speakers are attached to a computer. Right? Next we have microphone. Okay, you can record your voice and other sounds into a computer. A microphone helps to record anything you speak into it. So students, this is all the parts of computer. Let's get a review with the help of this video.
A computer is made up of different parts. The monitor, the CPU, the keyboard and the mouse are four major parts of a computer. All these parts are very important.
Please tell me how these parts are important for a computer.
Sure, Renee. Let's start with the monitor. The monitor has a screen and it looks like a TV. It displays the output. Whatever work is done or instruction is given on the screen. This board with alphabets and numbers on it is called the keyboard. The big and small buttons on it are called keys. Using these keys, we can write letters. We can make reports and presentations and also play movies and songs.
What is the CPU? It looks like a big box.
The CPU is the central part of the computer. It is also called the brain of the computer. The CPU tells the computer what to do.
What does CPU means, Clicko?
CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is the most important part of the computer.
What does a CPU do in a computer, Clicko?
A CPU guides and helps the computer to perform different functions quickly and easily. The CPU is placed inside a box called the system unit.
What is this, Clicko? It has a wire attached to it and if like a tail. It looks like a mouse.
It is a mouse, Rennie.
A mouse? How can it be? It is not a living thing.
It is a computer mouse, Rennie. Look, it has two buttons on it and a scroll wheel at the center. It also has a small ball on the bottom, which moves the mouse pointer on the screen.
How does it help us, Clicko?
A mouse helps us to select any folder or content from the computer screen. For better movement, the mouse should be kept over a mouse pad.
So students, that's all for today. We have learned about the parts of computer. Every part functions differently, right? If you have any doubt or question, you can ask me. Till then, stay safe at home. Thank you.